Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you are getting this video from. For me, from here is good morning. I welcome you people all, freedom lovers. I welcome you people all, goodwill people. I welcome you all, the people of Biafrans. I'm doing this video just for you to tell you people who are your problem. Your problems are the people called your president are your problem. The people you call your governors are your problem. The people you call religious leader are your problem. The people you call so-called elite are your problem. All of them are your problem. They are the problem of insecurity. This morning, I will do this video so quick. Why I'm doing this video here, because some people may be asking, which video is this you are showing to us? I'm showing you why I said that these people are your problem. This place is a small place, industrial area. You know, this is what industrial area looks like, where you can create jobs for the youth, where you can create jobs for the young men and women. If you create things environment like this, like here now, I'm showing you people here, because here is something like toll gate there. You see there is something like toll gate there, down there. That is the entrance. We have another toll gate down there, up. You see the road, how the road is clean. On this side that I'm pointing my hand, on this side is where they have like when you want to buy like anything, fresh fish and fresh meat is on this part of it. Okay, that is what I want to show you people this morning. So to let you people know that these people are your problem. Do you know, if you have something like this in your country, so-called nigger area, if your governors, your president provide things like this, please, can you tell me, do you know how many millions of people that this place will be giving job? Do you know how many millions that have job from here? That will stop. This is at least things that help a society that want to work. These are the things that help the society to work together and to be good. Because of, if you create environment for jobs, here now it's just like a low professionals where you can work. Like this side now, you people are seeing here, I'm pointing hand, is where they have anything. If you want to buy fresh fish, fresh meat, you go this way. But because of this place is very big, this place I'm showing you people is very, very big. You understand? But we can't cover it, because if I say let me cover the whole thing, it's going to take more than 5 days to cover this, only this small portion of this place I'm covering right now. So I want to tell you that your governor, so-called your elite, then come to abroad. You see, all like this side now, you can see my hand on this side now. On this side now, what do you know what they have this side is what they have, anything like vegetable, fruit. Like when we go to our farm, these people are people who have farm outside. That is where they have farms. Like here is people that have farm, then we bring their product here. Here is like what they call a market. When you harvest from your farm, you come here, to sell. People who have stores, you supply to stores, you supply to grocery stores, you supply to supermarkets, you supply to everywhere, both people in restaurant and all the rest of them. People come here to buy their things here. Do you know how many people that here give jobs? That is my question. Here give a lot of people jobs. So when you have things like this, because we are going to take a walk, we are going to walk a little bit inside for you to see exactly what you are doing. Many of your brothers and sisters are working here. Look at the way the environment, the structure are like this. You see it is very long down there. All these places are what they call industrial area. We are going to go a little bit inside, so for you to see what I'm talking about. This is the things that at least to minimize when they say that, oh, insecurity have killed also, this one have killed also, kidnapper have killed. They are the one doing it, because of they didn't provide all this kind of thing. Let's go a little bit here now. Like you see here now, these are people who brought their own now. You understand? These are the people who brought their goods. Now, all these goods you are seeing now, people are working here. It's giving a lot of people job. It's creating a lot of job. Like you see all these things now. Like all these ones are going to maybe shops, somewhere, where they have the demand for that. There will be packaging. Who are doing the packaging? people are working. Men and the women out here working. You create job when you wake up in the morning, you go to somewhere, you know that you are doing your job. You see all that. People are working. Do you know thousands of people working in all these places? Do you know thousands of people that jobs have created here? You can't even know. You see all that. You understand? But when you are telling people when when you are telling people, they will not understand. You understand? So that is the thing. You create job opportunities. People will have jobs. Look at all here. We will still go inside, but we are still outside. Look at all here. These are jobs. You know, this is when your government are real with you. That at least then create what they call good environment, then create jobs opportunity, so that there is many people who are died into crime because of what they didn't have the job opportunity. If they have the job opportunity, or your government, so-called your government, build things like this, where you can see people, then wake up in the morning, they will go to their jobs, they have industrialized area, not to be talking about where are we going to do ranching, giving flan. These people they are selling meat here and the fish here in this side I'm pointing my hand on, they have where they are doing their own ranch, they have their own farms. You understand? So like here now, look at it. Look at what we call, when you create opportunities like this, you see people. People will wake up in the morning, then will go to their jobs, and do something. Is it when you finish like each here now work from morning to night? Here open from Monday to Tuesday. The same way there is 3 shifts here. People work in the morning, people work in the afternoon. Understand? So each person you have 8 hours to do your job. Look at here. You have 8 hours to work. Another person will come, then will take the shift from you, then will still work 8 hours and go home. So in a day, they have 3 shifts in here. So when you create things like this, these are their farmers who go to their farm without Fulani herdsmen, without this one, you people say, Fulani headers, this one and that, clashing. What is clashing? These people go to their farm. This is what they plant. Now they harvest it. Now they are selling all their products here. Can you people see that? There is jobs. People are going to their jobs. We see order. Let me see. Let's keep going. So when we are saying that no, that this government are not, they didn't plan any good for you. Jagaban and all the rest of them. Then do you see how many people that here giving jobs? This place is just a small place. Look at all of them, different places. We can't, only this small portion, we can't even finish it here. Like, look at order. When people wake up in the morning, then go to their jobs. You know, look at that. Okay, ask me, what did it take? You have rich people. They are building big houses for you. They are not creating jobs. So how do you expect that you will not have what they call security? Look at all these things. People wake up in the morning. These are normal people. This is not like where they have offices. No, these are people who have their farms. Then we harvest their things from their farm. Then we bring it here to sell. Many shops, many people will come and buy. You know, you see all that. Sorry for because of my hand. You know, so when you have all this kind of thing, look at it. You see thousands of people working here. So at least minimum, you can minimize what they call insecurity. At least for God's sake. You'll be talking about, oh, insecurity have killed you, insecurity have done this to you. But you didn't create job for these young men and women. This is what when we come here, we see many of our people who come to abroad, many of them are working in all these places. I myself, when I came here, I work here. These are the things that when you come, no matter all this, your big certificate they are giving to you, you say that you study this, you study that, school there, at home there. Is it not school that you will go 6 months, teachers will be on strike on 10 years? So when you come here, the white people tell you that your certificate doesn't work anything. You see those people, after they tell you, oh, my brother graduated for this one and the other one. It's working here, eh? Let me let you know. It's working here. Look at all these places. The whole places. I can't even cover it. I can't cover it. So tell me, if you have things like this, farmers are going to their farm, bringing out what they have. What will bring in security? My brothers and sisters, please, Ndibo, eh? No. Eh? These people are here, and Kunu Koro Actors in Uko, Organa Church, okay, here, Woberego. instead of okay onye nyere ego tata ya nri chekwa ni echikwana una jukwa echikwa igenyekwa ya ọzọ instead of ego niile unu zutechere ndị ohi all your governors ndị ohi you know all your elite they are all criminals ndị ohi ego niile unu zutere bụkwa nne na ọrụpụtatụ n'ofu mkpụrụ ife mbara uru ụmụazị ndị enwe ọrụ onye ọbụla enwe ọrụ onye ọbụla akwụsị somebody like Atọ Ezenukpo ya bụrụ n'obodo a kịta ya bụrụ na here in abroad eme ebe Atọ Ezenukpo ga-anọ if ebe ọ ga-anọ kịta ebe ọ ga na-enye pidgin chimfọ n'ụtụtụ ya ga ebe ndị ọgbọ ya nọ ọ na-achịpụrụ pidgin ọ bụrụ rice ka o ji bụrụ ọka ka o ji ọ na-achịpụrụ pidgin there ọnọdụ ada na park because here na there is many parks everywhere look at all here enough now all these places are industrial area supermarket fruit area future what did you want here look at if our people who have their farm look at how it is who go to their farm and bring out their product now they are selling it. How do you tell me that a society will not progress if you have things like this? Look at the road itself. Look at the road though. And we are not talking of that. It's not the road that will come now and pause hand for you, red hand. Say, oh, Governor Anyemenenka, Governor Bakwoko. Omohanine not an abroad here. All of them, Omohanot abroad. Look at the other side. Look at them. Look at Lanya down there to the angle there. Omohanine not here. Nduhi. Look at. We can't even because we can cover with okay take more than hours. We can go soon what they call industrialization. At least minimum to create job. I'm not talking about the area where they have like a skyscrapers, for people. At least here Igano school. In other Iga school, Gacha school, only find Hegrona school. Iga all the nature government here in the rig election. Yambona Nigeria, over for 500 naira to 200 naira, a rig election. Me fetch a rig election here. Ndara come going to Gangwa your governor. Poha, do here Chineke Poha, all your governors. If you read the election here, because of our likely rig election, you will create jobs. The youth will be working in what environment like this. Because of it create a job, create environment, people are working. That will in camp automatically the education again want unlike your mandate automatically you are having your mandate because of you are do what you're supposed to do. Anya na afia. Look at thousands of people now here. At least minimize all insecurity, at least for the menace, for at least minimize all insecurity. This is one all here, more than a village. Where am I going to start? Look at down there. Your governor now said kidnapping, insecurity everywhere. But no job. No job. Okay, look at thousands of people working here. People wake up in the morning. Everybody, bus station not here. Bus not 247. From morning to night. Look at all the things people are saying. Look at Kaidakwa this side. So if you try all this is okay, look at this side now. All vegetables. You see all that? There are people who have their farms. Ghana farm about if I bet in Kedu equal ya now. Guna Fulani herdsmen with the hinano. It's in if I bundle your governors, your president in the Nina plan. All the men in our power, you two people should wake up. They tell you no, look at. One say governor, make any short Ghana governor, Ghana elite, Ghana religious leaders in our social church. Siano, who defend that, no matter who defend that, why you now run here? Especially all these religious leaders. If I now run social church, I'm going to be through here, but I can't run all these kind of places. Then we figure out. Ekpa Nina run here. In our only find out fish contract. There's something they call fish contract. You will hear it now. Oburu moto ke choro izu oburu no ke choro izu ifi ma be chira akwukwo ahu megen echepuru echesara ha je gana na aba pa ego ni ga na akwu mo wangu ga akwu ya bu moto na akọ ga evuru moto without agbakashigo onwe ga aha. Look at kunu na afia okunu na afia igbo ndo man na ege nti okunu na afia ndi forman na adam unu kpo ndi rich men unu ahụ obi kuba na ha Atọ Ezenukpo na-eke ndị mmadụ ego le naira unu selekwu dị ife ọ ga-emere unu na ọbụghọ ị na-atọ ọbụghọ ticha teacher give me fish. No. If you trouble, teach me how to fish, not how to eat the fish. Look at it here. Ya create unu ife ndị otu a. Unu enwe ike na-akpọ ya atọ eze n'ukpọ. Because of o ji ego unu niile ahụ ezutere. Ego ha zutetere na oye well. Ha ga-eji nwe rụọ ife a burucha ego ahụ bupụta ana bekee. Ụmụ ha na-emerime ego gị enjoy, na-emerime ife kwesịrị ime enjoy. Look at ọkwa ife abụcha all this. Ebe a dị small. Ebe a dị small. This side, this upon not the small, we cannot even cover here in 2 days. Only this portion. If I have a small place, or the whole spend, no, this is a one small portion in a Barcelona region. They want to take they want a more industry here. Go to SUM with this big one here. They have many. Look at. Even many of all these things are all companies. I found enough about companies. Oto ha nwe their shop here, ka ha nwe their farm. Ebe ha na-ebupụta their product. Ọbụ ka ị bịa sị, onye na-azụ efi, ị nwere ebe na-azụ efi n'ime ụlọ, onwe na-afụ ya anya. Ọbụ nke ọ bụ ịkọ ụgụgụ, kọ ọkwụrụ, ọ ga-akọ nwa ọka anyị na-ada akọta ma ịkọ ọka ị gaghị aghọta nwa ọka. Look at. Ọka nkịtị ị gaghị aghọta nwa. Lele n'anya. So what if I want to one governor, Juan and dance now president to Lucia? So no different meche. Why we provide or rule the kind environment that when I soon and kidnapping the too much, insecurity the too much better. But can you how many people now are here? How minimize the rule insecurity? Okay, look at it. Igbo ndị ọma ndị former na-adọ na-anya maka na agbu ndị ka bụ source of farmers so nwere their own farms. Na-ebupụtagodo their product. Anyị gazie inside a na-ere ma anụ ma azụ, which is fresh fish. Sea nọ nso here, seaport nọ nso here. Kwunu na-afụcha ọ kwunu na-afụ ya ọfụma. So unu something like this, nwere ife ga-eme ọrụ adịrị for the youth. Nwere many youth now into crime. Due to getting now, have nothing to do, my brothers and sisters. You cannot blame them. No, because of all your president, your governor, whoever you like, call them, your religious leader. I can't give a church. Eba now, you can't see no church. Only church you will careful here, about Catholic Church. You know that Catholic Church was built with all Catholic built there for a long time. You know. In no any other religion, nothing more, nothing less. Upon the Muslims here, but one the matter upon Kone Mabe Bru Nukute Kefuna app and I have Lorunu if you're not to now it will my people now people. No, you can't see that rubbish here. Here now, all from Monday to Sunday, and in one day, in one day, when a 3 shift morning, afternoon, and the night. Look at it. No nanya. I'm sick. I'm cover with cover. Can I go straight? Let's go straight. Can I pour the other side? Or just good enough? Just nanya here. Nanya. Unu we fan abunu no ga nwodo. Ndị a niile nwechiro ebe ha na-akọ ugbo na-ata. Ha nkotu ugbo ha bịa ebe a. You know? So unu ha nọ there. Ndị unu kpọrọ gọvanọ, ndị unu kpọrọ president, ha macha na-agba anyị na-eru n'ife lenu nke ha nwa and many of ife ndị a ha self bụ chemical. Ndị nke ha mbụ ordinary ife a ị gaghị egote nwunye. You know, but at least ha nwere fruit, ha nwere ife. Nke a bụ for ndị na-akọ ọrụ ugbo farmers. Look at. Asị gọvanọ unu chọrọ n'ife ndị otu onwe ha onwe nke nga ewepụtara ife ndị na-afụcha na bụcha ndị otu a na-esi wee fụcha afa company ha ịgakwa otu a ka nsi wee nwee farm nga ọ na-ewepụtacha ife ndị a niile. So ife ndị na-eme vidio abụ oru echi maka ha ga-ajụ why unu na Biafra si mba lekwa ụdị ife anyị chọrọ create ọrụ for our youth to create ọrụ for men and women. Onye nwekwe ngakwa n'ọrụ ya ọghọta nwa ọka, onye ngakwa n'ọrụ ya ọghọta nwa ọkụrụ n'ọrụ. Ọbọ nke ọ bụ abịa sị na efi ya na efi na-arị insecurity na alụ unu gọvanọ gana eti na ọ bụ IPOB na nke ọzọ ọ bụ asị ọ bụ ha nwa bụ the problem ọ bụ ha nwa create ife a ha na-ekwu ịma na ndị be anyị kwuru okwu a sị ma afụrụ ebe a na-ebido aka ebido ya n'ikpere ọ bụ ife ifuru ha na-eme ife because of ha create all these things. Nwanne mmadụ gbakene m ife ga-eme gị na isi nna ka ị ga-ezuwe osi obodo a nkịta na ọ bụrụ nke ọ bụ ị ga-ezu osi anwụdo nkịta abụ a ga-amana na ọ bụghị na ị gaghị asị na ị na-achọ ọrụ ịfụ ha ọrụ ị na-ata ife ndị ị na-afụcha na maka nga a na-atụnye detio ebe a and deti a na-atụnye ebe akwa a na-recycle ya onwe ndị nga-ebịa na ọrụ ha bibia atụtụrụ katọn onwe ndị ọrụ ha nga-ebịa na ibi eburu kọsịa like all this fruit ndị ke mmiri mmebi na ha ewere ga eme juice ndị ke mbụrụ na ọ dara n'ala look at ife ndị a niile na-afụcha ebe a bụcha nnukwu moto trọk trailers mbutechara ife so inwe ụdị ife a n'obodo maka ife m ji na-eme video why I'm doing this video if you have this kind of a thing a little bit inwenye na Anambra steeti atọ eze na ukpo ife a ka ị ga-emere ndị bụ n'obi adị ha mma inwenye na-abịa na Anambra inwenye na-abịa steeti inwenye n'Imo steeti inwecha ya ebe niile nke a bụgodu small place nke a na only this place m nọ ịma ha mere ife mụnwa na-agba ya ndị ohi ya mbụgodu na ndị a si na ha na-achọ for your survival na ọ bụghị maka akpa ha maka ezinụlọ ha ga-arụrụ gị ife ndị a ife ndị enweghị ife otekiri ọkwụnụ na afọ enweghị ife ndị otekiri anyị nwechara ife ndị a ị ga-ekwu n'okwu ife a nke a bụ nke anyị nwa na anyị nwa nwere breed ndị ahụ ajara ede anya ahụ ka ife ji ya eme look at it ndị a niile na ọ bụrụ moto na-agụgụ ị ga-ezuru nwa moto jiri nwayọọ na-akwụ ụgwọ ya na anya na ebe unu taa ga nọ gọvanọ unu ndị ohi ndị a taa ga ha nọ sawa yude enweghị ụdị unu gosi ha vidio a gosi ha nọ vidio ndị a bụ ndị oshi na hata emene m the other video the other time I show you people a little bit how hospital nke a bụkwa public hospital enwekwara private hospital but nke a bụ ka na-akpọ public hospital ego na ọkụkọ you can come there and receive your treatment good as well your governor your president ha zuo ego ha gbapụta na bekee ha na-afụchi ife ndị a niile o ha na-afụchi ife ndị a niile o ngwakwanụ ọ bụ ife m ji ajọsọ m sị ka m gosi unu a little bit this morning because of when you see all this is the reason why iji wee fụ anyị na-agba here ọ bụkwa a na-agbapụta ebe because all these things you can produce it ndị ọcha na onwe ha self let me tell you something here ndị a na many of their men are married men ha na-anụ nwoke ibe ha nwaanyị na-anụ nwaanyị ibe ha so ka ebe a ga-esi nweta ndị ga-arụrụ ha ọrụ a ga-akwụ their generation pension no ọ bụ witi m na-abụ ọ bụ ebe ha chọrọ ịharvest na-abụ na be anyị n'Africa na be anyị especially be anyị because of na be anyị n'Igbo anyị na Biafra anyị nwere young youth abịa now your governor na-abụ ndị na-enyere ha aka your president ndị na-enyere aka because a ga-eme ka ife nshere gị ka ị nwee ike gbapụta here ka ha nwee ike na-benefit from ife ndị anyị kwesịrị benefit ha zuru your mineral resources abịakwa ezurukwa your manpower gwakene m onwere many youth anyị na oke ma ịgụta nwụrụ na nke akwụkwọ at least nwa nke ụdị ife ndị ị ga-arụta nwunye nwanne mmadụ biko jụọ ọnụ m nọ onwere onye ifeọma nsọ nwanne mmadụ biko nụ thank you everybody anywhere you are getting this video biko nụ tụsara m nụ vidio metụrụ m n'aka na share button asị m onye ọbụla asị na ana Igbo agaghị adị ụta na ana Igbo agaghị adị mma ala Biafra agaghị adị ụta asị m onye ahụ ya werekwa na zere mmiri o ga na comment section kwere m n'ise o ngwanụ thank you so much ngwa na asị m ndị ihe ọma na-adị mma asị m Chukwu gọzie unu bye bye.